Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video is where we're giving in. You're watching Tech It's Simple YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how we got to log in into Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. So basically, it's all Canadian multinational bank, which means it's branches in various provinces of Canada. So you can access this bank from any province of Canada. That's one advantage. If you guys want to know about its interest rate, its mortgage, and other stuff, you can visit this official website, which is CIBC.com. So let's get into the video on how you guys can log in into it. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on, shall we? First the video and click on where it says Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, you search for it, then you click on CIBC over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website. Once you're in their official website, you want to go on over here where it says card number, you enter your card number over here. After you do that, you enter the password of your account. After you do that, you just click on sign in over here. And you should be able to log into your account. If you click on register, it's going to create an account. If you click on sign in, it's going to log in into your account. So that's basically how we guys can do it. Well, because we're able to understand the video, if you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.